I took around 6 months to learn data science, but I did not take even single paid course to learn data science because I have learned everything from YouTube itself. Yes guys, you can learn everything from YouTube itself. All you need to do is you have to find out the right channel for you. In this video, I'm gonna share with you the 10 best YouTube channels which I used to learn data science. Let's begin. The first and my favorite YouTube channel is StatQuest with Joe Stammer. I would say this is the best channel to learn machine learning algorithms because he explains more complicated concepts in a very simple manner. If you're starting with machine learning algorithms, then StatQuest will help you a lot. My second favorite channel is Sarana Academy. This guy uses beautiful animations to explain machine learning and deep learning concepts. If you are someone who likes to learn things through animations, then you should check out Sarana Academy. My third favorite channel is Unfold Data Science. He is not only focusing on algorithms but also on other important things like feature engineering, feature selection, deployment, and so on. My fourth favorite channel is Normalized Nerd. This guy uses a tool called Monim to create beautiful animations, and his videos are very engaging as well as easy to understand. My fifth favorite channel is Codebases. This guy has a complete playlist on data science. Particularly, if you want code implementation of each ML algorithms, then you should check out this channel. My sixth favorite channel is Code Emporium. This guy is very famous for his Transformer playlist. If you want to learn about Transformer, check out his Transformer playlist where he has explained everything about Transformers. My seventh favorite channel is Krishnite. Particularly, if you are learning natural language processing, then you should check out his NLP playlist. Also, check out his videos on optimizers. They are really good. These 7 channels will help you to learn data science, particularly to learn machine learning algorithms. And the following 3 channels will help you to learn mathematics, which is pretty important for data science. My first favorite YouTube channel to learn mathematics is 3 Blue 1 Brown. Actually, he is the one who created the tool called Monim. Nowadays, many people are using Monim to explain mathematical concepts using animations. Personally, I don't like mathematics, but after watching his video, I literally fell in love with mathematics. He's really amazing, guys. Just check out his videos. Definitely, you will fall in love with mathematics after watching his videos. My second favorite channel to learn mathematics is Tile Stats. Actually, statistics is very important for any data scientist, and this guy has a lot of tutorials on statistics, and believe me, they are too good. My third favorite YouTube channel to learn mathematics behind each and every ML algorithm is Ritvik Math. Unlike other YouTube channels, he uses whiteboard to explain concepts and he dives really deep into mathematical concepts. Alright, these are the 10 best YouTube channels which I follow to stay updated in data science. If you know any better channel, let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you.